This little girl donates her earring to help Palestine. Salam on this little girl. I salute the spirit of this little girl. When a donation was collected for Palestine after Friday prayers in a mosque in Syria. So this little girl takes off her earring and donate it for the people of Palestine. So we should all have the same attitude when our Muslim brothers and sisters are in difficulty or a human being is in difficulty. We must help them. Say Subhan, Allah, MashaAllah for this little girl in the comments, and show this video to everyone and share it with everyone so that they also know that if this little girl can help, so why not us?
الآن طفلة صغيرة الآن تأتي لا ندري ما الذي معها. الآن طفلة صغيرة أتت بتبرعات غالبا أنها حلق. ما شاء الله تبارك الله. الآن هذه الطفلة تبرعت بحلق ذهب جزاها الله خيرا وحفظها لأهلها. بارك الله بكم وجزاكم